Welcome back, everyone. Hope everybody had a good night. So far this process is going a whole lot quicker than I thought it would, so I doubt it's going to last several weeks like I was planning. I've got some ideas in mind about future projects. I've got a couple of things in the hopper. Going to be some Star Wars. I've got Harry Potter and a couple more of those wooden model kits that I did last week sort of lined up, so the content should keep coming if you're interested in this stuff, and hopefully you are. Hopefully you'll keep coming back and watching more. But with that being said, without any further ado, let's get on to step 3 or bag 3, or however you want to look at it. All right. Okay, there we go. That's the end of bag 3. Definitely starting to see the shape now. I'm not sure about this thing. It seems there's a little blockage here. I don't know, maybe I got them in upside down or something. I don't. Yeah, that's what has happened. No? Sorry. Yeah, I got something backwards on this section. This is supposed to be flip-flopped. Alright, but I'll fix that tonight and turn it over. Okay, so well, at this point, everybody have a good day. I'll see you again tomorrow. Like, subscribe, comment, complain, and enjoy your night. Thanks. Bye.